get ready to dive into the world of the Cradiac Alpha Pro. The ultimate mountain bike that's all about thrill, fun and style on those epic trails. Take a look at the sturdy 18-inch alloy frame of the Cradiac Alpha Pro. This well-made frame is a big reason behind the bike's great performance. The Cradiac Alpha Pro is equipped with a Shimano group set. This mountain bike offers 21 speeds, featuring Shimano Altus M310 at the front and Shimano Acera M3020 at the rear. Experience effortless gear changes, all thanks to the Shimano AF500 shifters on the Cradiac Alpha Pro. With these shifters at your fingertips, switching between gears becomes smooth and trouble-free, adding to the overall enjoyment of your ride. Navigating rough trails becomes a breeze with the suspension lockout fork of the Cradiac Alpha Pro. By simply flipping a switch, you can secure the suspension, providing increased stability and enhanced comfort, while ascending hills or cruising on smoother surfaces like pavements. Experience the power of the 160mm dual disc brake. Ride with assurance as these brakes deliver heightened braking force, instilling a sense of confidence in your cycling endeavors. Enhancing its durability and performance, the bike features double wall alloy rims. These sturdy rims are designed to withstand the rigors of various terrains while maintaining optimal stability and support for a reliable and smooth ride. The Cradiac Alpha Pro has alloy hubs that come with quick release wheels, both at the front and the rear. This smart design allows for convenient and swift removal or attachment of the wheels, making maintenance and transportation hassle-free. If you're eager to venture into uncharted paths and off-road trails, the Cradiac Alpha Pro MTB is tailor-made to suit your requirements. With its robust features and capabilities, it is the ideal companion for your explorations beyond the beaten path.